Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. And today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Kid from the game Chrono Cross. So this game is actually pretty old, but it is being released for the Switch. So it's kind of new at the same time. All right, so please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I love it when you do, and it helps out the channel. Okay, so to draw a Kid, I'm going to start with her eyes. Let's see, I'm going to make a shape like this. And then I'm going to do a shape like that underneath. All right, and now inside, I'm going to make a curved line right there. And I'm also going to join up these two first shapes that we made. So I joined them right there. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make a circle right here. And one right here. And one in the middle of those two. And I'm going to color that middle circle in all black. Alright, and I'm going to thicken up this line here. So I'm going to thicken it up by drawing over it a few times, drawing near it a few times, like that. And I'm going to also thicken up the top line here. Like that. And I'm going to add a couple little flicks for little eyelashes. So just a few. And above that, we're going to do the eyebrow. So it's very similar to the first shape we did, this first shape here. And I'm going to make that eyebrow darkened in, like that. You can see it's thicker in the middle than it is at either of the ends. All right, so I'm gonna thicken up this little part here a little bit too. Okay, so from there, let's do the nose. So I'm gonna do the nose right here. And it's gonna be kind of a funny little shape like that. Almost like a little seed or something. And I got that kind of shaded in dark as well. And then over a little ways on the other side, we can start on the other eye. So I'm going to come up like this. And come on over like that. And now I'm going to do the inside of the eye. So we make kind of almost an oval. And I've got the sides of it kind of thick. And I'm going to do a circle like that. And another one down here. And one in the middle, and the one in the middle is, you guessed it, going to be colored in dark. All right, so this top line here, I'm going to thicken that up a little bit, and I'm going to do the same as I did with the other eye and add a few top eyelashes. So just a few little flicks like that. And let's do the eyebrow. And color it in dark. Like that. And thicken this up too. All right, so now I'm gonna give her a little smile. So I got a little, it's pretty much a straight line, but it's curving up a teeny tiny bit right there. So now I'm going to work on her face shape. So I've started over here by the eye. I'm coming down a little bit. We got a cheek happening right here. So we can kind of curve and then work our way down to the chin. And then we got a little pointy chin. And we can sketch up this way. And I'm gonna stop right there. And before I do any more face, I'm gonna do some hair. So she's got all kinds of chunky pieces of hair here in the front. So let's draw some. They're like just thick, chunky pieces. Draw a piece coming down here. And one right there. A few more on the top right here. Like that. And so right here, I'm gonna put an ear. So a little curve like that. And I'm gonna do a little inside squiggle there. And so we got a little ear kind of poking out of the hair. All right, so I'm gonna do another bit of hair right here, another one of those chunks. And now I'm going to do a curve here for the head shape. Like that. And her hair is put back into like a ponytail here, and then it's put into other like little bows and elastics coming down. So I'm gonna do some lines like this to kind of show the hair going back into the back of her head here. And then right here, we're gonna put our little bow. Well, I said little, but it's kind of big. All right, so next I'm gonna put some hair coming down. So this here, this weird little shape is a blob of hair. And got here is like a little elastic. And then another blob of hair. Another little hair tie. Same thing again, but you see we're getting a bit smaller and smaller. Do another bit of hair. And then this little hair tie is gonna have a bow. It's the last one. And then we can do a bit of the ends of her hair, like that. Okay, so now let's do a neck. So we're coming down a little bit there. And I'm actually going to start drawing her outfit. I'll have her kind of side on, sort of. So the other part of her neck right here. And let's work on the outfit. So she's got a big necklace. And we're gonna start with a shape like this. So kind of like a parrot's beak, maybe. And then we've got lots of circles as the rest of the necklace. Big and chunky. So you can see I'm bringing these circles to the back here. So before I continue on with these circles, I'm gonna work on her top. So I'm gonna do a line like this, kind of coming out, and then we're gonna work our way down. So you can see that's why I didn't do any more circles, because this part of her shirt is in the way. So I'm gonna come on down like that. And on this side, I'm gonna come on down like that. So kind of the same. And right here and come down. And over here on this side, I'm coming out this way and then I'm coming down. All right, so now I'm gonna work on the shoulder. Let's move this piece of fabric coming this way a bit, like that. And put some lines here for the sleeve, right there. And we can bring her arm down like that. And I'm gonna put a line coming down this way. And right here, yeah, right here, we're gonna do a curve like that for her shirt. And we're going to curve down here. And we can continue on down this way with the rest of her body. And down here like that. All right, so here, I'm going to draw another line like that and connect it down here. And then curve this one in. And we can do a line right here. And we can do, oh, sorry, it wasn't even in view with the camera, sorry. Curve right there. And bring it down. And let's do the other shoulder. Little curve line right there. And let's do an arm right here. And another line here for the rest of the arm. And her outfit has some details we're gonna add. So we're gonna go down like a little V and then come over a little bit. And then we're gonna do another shape like that, another V shape. Come down a bit, another one, come down a bit, another V shape. And then we're just gonna repeat that. So that's the way that the trim of her outfit here goes. And it's like that here on the sleeve as well. And over here. And on this sleeve. Okay. And on her face here, we've got a mark like this. Almost forgot to put that in. And she's got it on both sides. All right, so now my sketch is done and I'm gonna start coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw tomorrow. Okay, goodbye.